Hello everyone, welcome to our channel, and today we will see how we can add credit card on Shein app. So for that you need to open up your app and then go to your cart and then click on checkout. After that, when you just scroll down a little bit, you will be able to see this section called credit or debit card in payment method. Just click on credit and debit card over here and click on place order. After that, it will ask you to add your details of your credit or debit card. Just provide the card number of your credit card, expiry date, CVV number. CVV number is actually at the back side of your card. It is of 3 digit and just enter it, and after that just click on place order, and this way you would be able to add your credit card and order the products. And this is how you do it. I hope this video was helpful. Make sure to hit that like button and also subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos.